Hey, Robert Lunte here from CourseCREEK. Now, normally, if I wanted to talk to you, I'd have to record videos like this over and over again. And let's be honest, after about the 17th take, I'm not even sure what I'm saying anymore. But here's where things get interesting. With AI, I can generate versions of myself that speak for me without needing to record the same video again. And not just in English, I can switch languages, switch voices, and still look and sound like me. For example, right now I'm going to switch into Spanish. Y lo interesante es que este video no lo grabé otra vez. La inteligencia artificial lo generó por mí. Now let me switch again, this time into Japanese. 例えばこのビデオは新しく録画されたものではありません。AI によって生成されたものです。And yes, it can even handle something more cinematic. For example, here's Arabic.
والأمر المذهل هو أن هذا الفيديو لم يتم تسجيله مرة أخرى، بل تم إنشاؤه بالكامل باستخدام الذكاء الاصطناعي.
And now we're officially getting ridiculous because apparently I can even speak Icelandic. Og það furðulega að þetta hljómar enn eins og ég, þó ég hafi aldrei tekið þetta upp á íslensku. And honestly, at this point, I'm pretty sure I could even speak Klingon. Nokne jivadi dokhme da kaulabe. Okay, now we're just showing off. But the wild part is, it still sounds like me, it still looks like me, and I didn't have to be here to record any of it. So if you're creating content, training, or selling anything online, this completely changes what's possible because you don't need more time. You just need more you.